don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. Don't you come back no more. Don't you come back no more.
Wala nang intro. I love you na agad, Joan Tamayo. Ay, magiging Dantes ka na nga pala sa isang segundo.
Love is never jealous or proud or boastful or rude. Love does not demand its own way. It keeps no record of wrong, even when it has been wrong. It is not irritable. It is never glad about injustice, but rejoices whenever truth wins. Love never gives up.
August 24, 2019. Nasa Makati ka, pupunta ka ng seminar. Di ko alam kung nagkataon lang ba o talagang yun na yung nakatadhana.
I thought it was just a normal day of my life. What I didn't know was I'm about to receive the most important blessing that I will ever have.
Sa pagkikita natin na yun, pinuntahan kita para mag-offer lang sayan ng payong. Pero di ko alam na yung pagkikita natin na yun ay dadalhin pala tayo sa panghabang buhay. That moment na nakita kita, alam kong may sparks. Para bang sinabi ni Lord na, Raven, hindi siya yung hinahanap mo pero siya yung plano ko para sa'yo. Pag uwi ko ng bahay, I told God, Lord, gusto ko siya.
As an independent woman, panganay na ayaw mag-submit, I tend to retaliate pag submission yung pinag-uusapan. I feel that I could never trust any man with my life. But that day, I found myself willing to submit to you.
From now on, you shall not walk alone. My heart will be your shelter, and my arms will be your home. With you, I learned that love is not just a feeling, it's a choice, a commitment that today I choose to love you, not just for who you are, but for all that you will become.
Pinaramdam mo sa akin kung gaano kadali yung pag-ibig. Hindi ko nga alam that I could be loved the way you love me. Nalilito na nga ako kung ano bang love language ko kasi lahat-lahat binibigay mo. I'm so grateful for you and I can't imagine my life without you.
Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa
I vow that no matter how much our life changes, the love we share will remain the same.
And I promise that I will choose you. I will choose to stay. No matter how hard our situation will be. Pangakong pipiliin kang mahalin araw-araw. Ikaw palagi yung ituturing kong pahinga kahit sa mga oras na ikaw mismo yung nakakapagod. At nangangako kung pagluluto kita ng masarap hanggang sa dumating yung araw na yung matabang, maalat na para sa atin.
Ipapangako ko na kahit anong pagsubok ang ibato sa atin ng mundo, ikaw ay makakasigurado ako'y nasa tabi mo. Sabay natin yung lalabanan at pagtatagumpayan. At sa mundong ito na walang kasiguraduhan, masisiguro mo na pagsinta ko sa iyo ay hindi magbabago.
I promise that I will always be your cheerleader. Palagi akong nasa tabi mo at hindi ako mapapagod sabihin sa'yo na I believe in you. I will support you in every aspect kasi nothing brings me more happiness than seeing you reach your goals.
It never loses faith. It is always hopeful and endures through every circumstance. Love lasts forever.
Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin. Ikaw pa rin aking bituin at tatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo.
You are what I want and precisely what I need. Now I can confidently say that you are the most tangible form of God's love, grace, and faithfulness in my life. I love you.
Joanne, inahal kita kahapon, mahal kita ngayon, at mamahalin pa kita sa mga susunod na panahon. I love you.
Piliin kong maging sa'yo at ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman iyo ako.